I love to save money, and I'm sure you do too. What if you could earn cash back on your online purchases? You're shopping as usual, you're just hitting one extra button. I will show you how. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I've earned over $2,000 in cash back using Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. I've been using it for about 4 years. It's super easy, and we'll go through a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to set it up. It really just takes a couple minutes. We'll go through, I'm gonna show you my dashboard, show you how much money I've earned back, what it is on certain different purchases, and you'll totally understand how it works. I'll also show you a sneaky way to earn cash back on products that never seem to go on sale. So watch till the end so you catch that. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I'm just a huge fan of Rakuten because I use it on everything from travel to makeup to clothing to stuff for the house. You can use it all over the place. So I just wanted to share. Also, everyone who signs up for Rakuten does get a code. And if someone uses your code, they get $10 extra for their very first purchase using Rakuten. And then you get, I forgot it, it varies, $10, $15, $20. It just depends on what they're doing at that point. So I do have one of those. I'll put it down below. But if you have a friend or someone else who has one, you can obviously use theirs too. But do use somebody's code so that you get the extra $10 in your first big fat check. That's what they call it when they send you your money every quarter. They can put it in your PayPal account, or they will send you an actual physical check. Let's dive into my computer now. I'll show you exactly how it works. I mean, honestly, when you see this, you'll be wishing you had started earlier. I always do. They've been around for so long. I can't believe it only started 4 years ago. This is the Rakuten site. You can certainly start here, but there's also a really cool trick I'll show you where you can install something in a Chrome bar where you don't ever even have to go here, unless you want to check out your big fat check balance. Mine right now for August is going to be $178.12 at this point, unless I buy something else and add to my big fat check stash. So you can see recently I purchased at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm getting $3.13 back, Expedia for $23.90, and Sephora for $1.87. My lifetime cash back is $2,037, and that's over 4 years, so about $500 a year on just basically clicking on something before I shop. Now you can see here there's some special bonus offers that they're telling me about, and some of my favorite stores are double cash back. Now just because it says double cash back doesn't mean this is the best that it gets. Macy's was 20% last week. I ordered my son pots and pans that were already 50% off, and now I'm getting 20% cash back on those, and it was about $150, so another $30 off. So really good stuff here. Priceline, that's actually pretty good for Priceline. You'll kind of get to know what's good or not good. If you go to the all stores area, you can, of course, search for stores. You can look alphabetically, and you can tell it's everything: maternity wear, hardware, clothing, quilting, bicycling, all kinds of stuff here. But let's say we want to shop at Macy's. Just hit that Shop Now button, and it'll pop you over to Macy's. Nothing is different at all. It's just like shopping at Macy's as you normally would. You just shop away, check out as you normally would, and whatever you spend, you'll get that percentage back added to your big fat check bonus. One thing that I would highly recommend you doing is to install this little Rakuten Chrome extension. The reason being, look at what it does. It's so cool. So you type in any store. I'm putting in Lululemon. I love Lululemon. And what it'll do automatically, see how it's blinking right up there? I didn't do anything, but then it pops up this activate 2% cash back. You didn't have to do anything. So if you forget, don't go to the website to start. You don't have to. It's wonderful. And then if you go to a website that doesn't have it, I happen to know for a fact Nordstrom doesn't. For some reason, Nordstrom Rack does, but do you see how it's just staying purple? It's not blinking at you. Nothing's popping up. Now, if I clicked on it, it'll try to offer me a few places that I've just been or things I might like that have cash back, but Nordstrom does not have a cash back. I find this extremely helpful when I'm shopping because sometimes you just don't think about starting at the Ebates website. Here comes my top tip on how to save on items that seem to never go on sale. Let's say you want a specific item. Like I want Apple AirPods. Okay, my daughter wanted these for Christmas last year, and they just don't go on sale. So I typed in the product that I was looking for, and this popped up. Different places that sell them and what the percentage back is. But then also look at here, top stores. At Christmas time when she wanted them, this was 15%. So I went over to Macy's, started my shopping trip, which at that point was 15%, or shoot, last week was 20%. Gosh, I want a pair of those. I should have got some. Anyway, and then I will just go ahead and type in what I'm looking for. And I know they sell them because it just showed me that they did. And there they are. So for $159, but I'll get 6% back. Or last week it could have been 20. So that's a great sneaky way to save on items that just don't go on sale. Here's a screen cap of my last 2 payments from Rakuten. It says Ebates, but that's just because they changed their name. If you want me to do another video that shows you how you can get cash back while shopping in store, yes, physically shopping in a store and using your credit card, you can get cash back too. Give this video a thumbs up. If you found this video helpful, I'd love if you subscribe to my channel. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button right now while you're thinking about it, and then turn the notification bell on to always so you'll get an email and be notified whenever I put out a new video. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Always fun stuff going on over there. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you being here. Love you guys, and it's not goodbye, it's just so long till next time.